Hello, YouTube. Let's go over dividend portfolio A and B. Right now, portfolio A is up $172, and the percentage gain is 27%. So we're going to quickly go over dividend portfolio A. Boeing is still in the lead. It's up 42%. I'm closing in on 50%, guys. Let's take a look at Boeing and the price. I know I bought it around 292 or something like that, 296. Price right now is $417. So Boeing has really just been on a complete tear. It's been just going up. A lot of investors, if you got in around that $200 mark, you're probably up pretty big right now. Let's take a look at some more stats here. It did pay some dividends. 50%. I mean, what more can I say? Pretty good stock. I like Boeing a lot. IBM up 29%, Enbridge up 25%, UPS up 21%. There was some stuff with UPS. Let me just look at it here. I was reading some reports about UPS. I forgot what it was actually about, but I just want to quickly take a look at the price. Oh, well, I can't see the chart, but right now the price is at $110. I want to see if they paid a dividend. No, they did not pay a dividend. So, but 21%, I'm up really big on this stock. UPS is a pretty good stock, a great transportation stocks. I think a lot of those transportation stocks, FedEx and UPS, they were oversold some time back. A lot of stocks were oversold. In the month of December. General Mills up 21%. These percentage gains are just unreal, guys. It's just really exciting to see. I'm happy that the Roth IRA is putting in all this work. Let's see where I'm at. ExxonMobil up 19%. 3M Company up 17%. Let me just look at the price for 3M. I have not been keeping up with 3M. It's really hard to keep up with a lot of these stocks now, but 208. Pretty good. I like 3M. They're a dividend aristocrat. Did it pay any dividends? Yes, it did. 59 cents, 17%. So it's actually a pretty good diversified industrials. I like 3M a lot. Target Corporation up 17%. Realty Income up 45%. That could be some kind of glitch there, but it could just be that Realty Income's been paying that dividend a lot. It's a monthly dividend payer. My average share price is 57. I would love to buy some more of this, guys. And once it gets back down to like around $50 or so, I'm probably going to go all in. Realty Income, very good stock, very reliable dividends. I would like to think that a lot of retirees are putting their money into Realty Income and just letting it ride, just let it compound invest. JP Morgan Chase up 15%, Ford Motor Company up 14%, Iron Mountain up 13%, AT&T up 13%, CVS Health Corporation, they're starting to bounce back a little bit, up 11%, McDonald's up 5%, Altria Group up 3%. Take a look at McDonald's. They've been kind of quiet lately. Maybe I just haven't been reading the news or anything. I'm 179. I'm up 2% on that one. I bought it at 270. So it's a very expensive stock, but it's expensive for a reason. They have a pretty reliable dividend, and there's McDonald's just everywhere on the road. So. And Verizon Communications up 5%, Dominion Energy up 2%, Coca-Cola down 2%. So Coca-Cola is starting to trend back here. Take a look at some more stats. So Coca-Cola, if it would just load. Looks like it's not loading here. Okay, there it is. Average share price 46. So I did buy this a little bit higher than I wanted to. Right now the price is at 45. But Coca-Cola's been around. Warren Buffett obviously has a lot of shares of this company. I think he has some 4 million shares or something like that. And it has a pretty good dividend, but you guys can see I'm down. It hasn't paid a dividend yet. So, and AbbVie, I'm also down on AbbVie 5%, but they are starting to trend back up. So, pretty good health stock. It is a dividend aristocrat. So, let's take a look at if there's been any payments. No, still sitting at that $5.85 mark. So, I will be getting paid soon, I would like to think. Dividend portfolio, here's some more stats for you guys to see. 27%, pretty good. That is really phenomenal for an application like this. M1 Finance, where you're buying fractional shares. Earned dividends, we're still seeing compound money just keeps on rolling in. This is 20 stocks in the portfolio, so I would have to imagine that those dividends are going to be adding up. So for $35, guys, pretty good. You're watching Dividend Portfolio A. It is my Roth IRA, and now we are going to look at dividend portfolio B. The trend, the theme behind dividend portfolio B is I wanted something that was sort of close to the Roth IRA, but I can take out the money and put it in my savings account. The Roth IRA, I don't want to touch that money because it is a Roth IRA. It's tax free. I don't want to withdraw anything until I'm like 70 years old or something like that. But let's go over dividend portfolio D right now. $72.20, up 17%. So again, guys, the portfolios are doing really good here. Lockheed Martin in the lead, 17%. Bank of America up 16%. Cisco Systems, again, guys, that could be a glitch. It could be some 15% or something like that. It says 38%, but I do have a $7 gain on this. Texas Instruments up 14%. Colgate up 13%. Waste Management up 12%. I think Waste Management is actually doing good. They did have an earnings report some time back, and the stock shot out. I think this is approaching $100. Let me quickly look at Waste Management. So pretty good dividend. Average share price $88. I think that's pretty fair when I bought it. Right now, price is at $99. So this stock does not dip as much. I'm going to see if it did pay a dividend or anything. No, it has not paid a dividend yet, but I am up 12% on Waste Management. Home Depot up 11%, Starbucks Company up 12%, Intel up 30%. But again, I don't think that's accurate, but I am up $6 on Intel. Phillips 66 up 10%, PPL Corporation up 8%. I remember this stock was up, looks like top 3 in the previous videos. I want to really see what they've been doing. Average share price $28, and right now the price is sitting at $30. So pretty good utility stock. It does pay a pretty fat dividend. So TELUS Corporation up 7%, Walgreens Boots Alliance up 8%, Caterpillar up 7%, Johnson & Johnson up 6%, PepsiCo up 6%, Public Storage up 5%, Royal Dutch Shell up 5%, Duke Energy up 4%, and Pfizer down 0.49%. So, I don't expect any moves from Pfizer. I just want them to pay me that dividend. That's all I care about. 17%, guys. It's nothing to sneeze at. Pretty good portfolio. Not quite as good as the Roth IRA, but again, it's putting in work. We could take a look at some more stats here. Those dividends are, again, this is what I like to see, guys. This is what it's all about: growth and dividends and getting paid for doing as little as possible. I know the markets are sort of bullish right now. We have sort of got out of correction territory, but you want to compound invest. You want to have some dividends coming in, and you can do whatever you want to do with those dividends. You can put it back into a savings account. You can use it to buy food. You can buy some water. You can do anything you want with those dividends. It's free money, and I want to probably start putting it back into my savings account and really just, again, compound invest. So you guys look at the stats, up 17%, earned dividends. I'm closing in on $5, and the net cash flow is $1,048. So you guys can take a look at my graph here, and we're going to see if any dividends have been paid into the portfolio. Yes, it has. Cash balance is up $1 right now. I expect that to go up immensely over time. So that's going to do it, guys. You just watch dividend portfolio A and B, and one of them is my Roth IRA. The other one is just something I wanted to closely mimic to the Roth IRA. But dividend portfolio B, guys, you're looking at the stats, and I'll see you next time.